Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm answering a question from an SEO agency, and I saw this in a forum, but they were asking a question about creating content for their client. How can they help their client out? And I have a strong opinion on this, which you will see in just a second, but the question went like this. We have a contract with the client. We help them out month to month. And right now we've done all the on-page optimizations that we can do. We've done all the tweaks to their site. We've done all the tweaks to their existing content. And the only way that we really see a way to improve them substantially from this point forward is to have them create more content or to pay us extra in order to take on our content writing service. And they don't want to pay us to have us write content for them. They don't want to pay extra on top of what we're already doing. And they don't have time to create their own content. And all we're really asking from them is for one blog post a month, and that will help them, rank for the different keywords that we're trying to get them to rank for, but we need content to do it. Now, here's my opinion now. Here's my opinion. I understand the predicament that you're in. Now, as an agency, you probably have set prices for some of these different things. Now, your base price, your base package, retainer, whatever it is, might be something where you give them regular reports and you monitor their rankings, maybe able to build a backlink or two here or there, and you optimize everything. But you've done all the one-off stuff now. It's done. It's out of the way. And the way that you have stuff structured, from what it sounds like, is for them to get content from you, they have to bump up to a different package. And you might not want to do this because that's just not the way that you have it structured. The way that you have it structured is for people to get content, they have to bump up to the next package up. They have to bump up to the next level. And you don't want to do that. But they're also telling you that they don't have time to create content. Now, the situation that you're in, if you don't see a way forward with improving their rankings without content, you're going to have to do something that is a little bit outside of the box and outside of your rules. For you to be able to get content on this client site, you're going to have to do it for them. And if you're telling yourself and you're telling your team internally that there's nothing more that you can really do, but you're still getting money from them, you have to figure out a way to make this content thing work. Now, maybe that's not how you normally do it for clients, and maybe that's not what you want to have happen, but your client is telling you straight up that they do not have time to create content. And if you've been working with them, you probably know a little bit about their business, so you need to work with them in some way to move this forward if you want to continue to help them grow. At the end of the day, the goal is to get the clients more leads, more revenue, more traffic. To get more traffic, you should get more leads. And those leads should be qualified leads. And if you're creating the right type of content, which you know what to do because you've already done keyword research, right? You've already done keyword research, so you know what their customers are searching for. You've talked to them on a regular basis. Maybe you even, know what their leads are asking for in, follow-up conversations. So you probably know what content to create. The only thing that you're getting hung up on is this thing about the packages and the retainers, and that's not how we normally do stuff. And they have to pay more to get content. Well, you might have to have that conversation. You definitely need to cover your costs and all that. But you need to work something out with your client to where if they're paying you, they're still getting something of equal value. If you know in your heart that they need content They need blog posts and articles and resources and pages of stuff on their site. You need to figure out how to create it for them if they do not have time, because in the end, that's what you're getting hired for. Until they have their own internal marketing team that can do this, you are the one, you are the agency that's being trusted to do this for them. So give it your best shot and figure something out with them to where it works out for both of you. And indeed, yes, cover your cost. Figure out something that's going to work. But your client is telling you they don't have time to do it on their own. So you need to figure something out, because otherwise, what are they paying for? You said you've already done all the on-site optimizations. So what are they paying for? You need to be proactive about this. And maybe some people out there will not agree with it, but that is what I would do. Anyway, my name is John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO, and I'm here every single day making videos on SEO. Thank you to all the subscribers who have come on recently. Next goal that I think that we could hit is 1,000 subscribers. I know we have the momentum, so let's go for it. We're almost at 100,000 views. I want to say thank you to everyone who's come on recently. Really appreciate it. That's all for now. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, and until next time, peace.